All right. I'm Carla, and I've been working as well engineering manager in the UK since the beginning of this year. I'm a mechanical engineer by background, and I graduated in 2007. 2006 was a good year for the economy, so I was still very lucky in being able to choose what I wanted to do. And since I'd been traveling for the last 2 years of my university career, I decided to take on a job which could be mobile and international. And working for an energy major was a good thing to do, as a good starting point. Therefore, I applied for the MEDEA program, which is an E&I Master in Energy, Environment and Economy. And I was successfully selected, and I thought this was the right choice because it was international, it was interdisciplinary, and I could get a good insight in the oil and gas industry without being too stressed with the work environment. So it was a good transition all in all. After the graduation, I decided to join the drilling team because it was operational, because it was dynamic, and I could have different assignments and rotate relatively fast with respect to other disciplines. So the first few years were mainly training based, so I had training in class, training on the rig site, and then I started to travel in the different subsidiaries, supporting small projects. And this was very good because I could build my professional network and start to know people around. I was seconded in one of our partners' office in Houston, and after the initial phase of the project was concluded, I was going to go back to the US when I got offered another position in Australia, where a new project was going into the execution phase. And of course, I accepted it because Perth was a great location and the project sounded very interesting. And as soon as you enter the subsidiary environment, you realize that the pace becomes faster, decisions are taken there, and everything is much more focused on delivering projects. So after these 2 years, the experience I gained was needed in Indonesia. And this was the start of the other adventure. So now, instead of learning and doing things, I was actually transferring knowledge and starting to take decisions about the project. And Indonesia was also good because it was the best way you could get to know the expat life, which is not always easy and comes with its own challenges, but is really great because of all the cross-cultural issues, the communications problems we had, but the great experience by sharing different feelings and work experiences with the other colleagues. So I know the project was interesting, but I still wanted to do something more exciting. So I got offered this engineering management position in the UK, and this has been great so far because I can manage people and I'm exposed to uppers management decision, and it's become a sort of an insight into a different side of the business. Now, I've been very lucky so far, I think, because of the personal and professional enrichment which I have gained through the different assignments. And if you are looking into a job opportunity, I think you should consider E&I because of the opportunities you are offered and because of the good people you meet around the way, and they can really help you having some guidance and building a network for the future. So